How to delete all TikTok messages at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the settings application on your device. After launching the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Then select on manage apps. And here, simply tap on the search bar and search for TikTok application. So as I search for TikTok application, the app will pop up at the bottom of the screen. So let's search for the TikTok over here and just tap on it. As I tap on it, here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it again. You'll be getting two options of clear all data and clear cache. So when you clear the cache, your messages will not be deleted. But if you want to delete all TikTok messages at once, simply tap on clear all data, and here you can delete all data, which will include files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache as well. So you can just tap on OK, and that's how you can delete all TikTok messages at once. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.